Ayushi, you saw that video lecture?
Yeah.
Any doubt is there?
No.
Okay. Pratham,
Yes, sir.
I'm starting with topic which is not common with anything, huh? And
Okay, sir.
you have lecture on Wednesday, Friday, so that the student those who are ahead, I will compensate with them.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Same time, Wednesday, Friday lecture for you. Heading right, order of magnitude. Order of magnitude. Okay. Order of magnitude. See, sometimes if I say 100 मार्क पेपर है तो आप कितना लेके आएंगे? Anybody will say 80.5 or 99.9. Generally will say, sir, nearly 90, 95. So you are not telling in decimals, now you're rounding off. Correct?
Yes.
Suppose somebody gets 90.2 percentage. So when people ask, कितना मिला आपको परसेंटेज, वो जनरली 90 बोलेगा, और बहुत अगर एक्सपर्ट है तो 91 भी बोल देगा. But 90.2 exactly generally we avoid, na?
Yes.
So we round off some values. अभी फिजिक्स में rounding off if you have to do, then it should be in terms of 10 का power. What is 10 का power here?
1.
1. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they are called integer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, are they called integer?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
-1, -2, -3, 0, they are also called integer. Yes or no?
Yes.
So integer means what? It can have 0, it can have positive number, it can have negative number also, na? So order of magnitude is what? See, the value of a physical quantity. The value of a physical quantity. Value means its magnitude. जैसा मास किसी का 100 kg, तो उसका वैल्यू ऑफ फिजिकल क्वांटिटी हो गया. Distance from Mulund to CST is 36 kilometer. That is value of distance. Distance is physical quantity. So value of a physical quantity rounded off to the nearest integral power of 10 is called as order of magnitude. Again, see what? The value of a physical quantity rounded off. That means we write in some form to the nearest integral power of 10. मतलब एक वैल्यू 25 है, आप उसको 25 into 1000 नहीं बोल सकते है ना. It is 2.5 into 10. So I rounded off in multiple of 10. Is called as order of magnitude. See one example, you may get idea. A man weighs 112 kg. I want order of magnitude. So 112 kg, try to write before decimal only one digit. So 1.12 into 100, is it correct? 1.12 into 10 raised.
Yes. Yes.
Correct. So you write always value with only one digit before decimal into 10 raised to. Now here it is 10 raised to 2 because you know maths. 112 is 1.2, 1 2 into 10 raised to 2. Therefore, I can say order of magnitude equals to 10 raised to 2 kg. Order of magnitude is 10 raised to 2 kg. Have you followed somewhat?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aisha? Hello, Aisha?
Yes, sir.
Just now I started one topic called as order of magnitude. Once again, I'm explaining.
Okay, sir.
Then I'm giving around 8-9 example, you will get the idea. Just now started, this is the first topic. The value of a physical quantity. What is physical quantity? Anything which can be measured. So value of physical quantity, rounded off. Rounded off means you have to write close to. Nearest integral power of 10. Power of 10 means 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to minus 1 and so on. Is called as order of magnitude. So I gave one example. A man is weighing 112 kg. I have to find order of magnitude. So I have to round off in power of 10. So this I know in maths. Before decimal, if I keep one digit, then it becomes 1.12 into 10 raised to 2. This total should be 112. So this adjustment followed, Aisha, what I wrote.
Yes, sir.
So now my order of magnitude is 10 raised to 2. Everybody has followed this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
just right. I'm giving you 5-6 more examples. Copy this definition.
That's sir.
Okay. Everybody has done.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now around 5-6 example I am giving so that you get idea perfectly. Find order of magnitude of following. First question. Acceleration due to gravity. What is acceleration due to gravity ka value? Yes, Shruti. What is acceleration due to gravity value?
And roughly 10 meters per second, or more precisely 9.8.
Yes, G is 9.8 meter per
10.
second square. This is the value. Everybody knows this acceleration due to gravity value.
Hello.
Acceleration due to gravity is G equal to 9.8 meter per second square. I think everybody knows this.
Sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes, eh?
Sir, but we take 10 now.
No, 10 is rounded off. This is
Okay.
actual average value.
Okay.
Unless until given, you can't take 10. 10 is to make the problems numerical easier. Na?
Yes, sir.
G is 9.8. If they give 10, I can't argue. Then I will take 10. If not given, I will take this. Okay. Now tell me. Can you see anywhere 10 written? 10 ka multiple? No, na?
No.
So this can be written as 9.8 into 10 raised to 0. चलेगा क्या नहीं? Tell me. 10 raised to 0 means 1.
Yeah.
So this
Yeah.
now
Yes.
before decimal wala digit is more than 5. 9 is more than 5.
Yes.
Then order of magnitude is written as 10 raised to 0. In order of magnitude, we don't write this digits. We write only 10 ka power plus 1 because 9 is more than 5. This is the rule. So 10 raised to 1 with unit also. Meter per second square. Now tell me if you have not followed. Order of magnitude. I want acceleration due to gravity ka order. So I wrote its value first. Then I see, अरे 10 तो है नहीं इधर. Then I wrote 10 raised to 0. Anything raised to 0 means 1. So my order of magnitude is 10 raised to 0. Because decimal ka pehla wala digit is more than 5, increase the power by 1. 10 raised to 1. Yes, hopefully followed everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please do it now. Yes, do it, do it. Simple things, but only you have to understand properly.
Sir, if it will be 9.80, then we will take 0 plus 2.
अरे बेटा बिफोर डेसिमल इधर 9, ये 5 से ज्यादा.
Oh, okay, okay.
बाद वाले का वैल्यू नहीं रहता है ना. 5.22222 इसका क्या वैल्यू है? कुछ नहीं ना. बिफोर डेसिमल भी ठीक ना.
Okay, okay.
अच्छा हो गया आपने पूछ लिया है. बिफोर डेसिमल नॉट आफ्टर.
Done, sir.
Nothing.
Okay. Next example. Same thing. Order of magnitude we have to find. Second example. Time period of Earth's rotation about its own axis. What is time period of Earth's rotation value about its own axis?
23 hours 56 minutes.
How much? How much? How much?
23 hours 56 minutes, which is roughly 24 hours.
We'll write 24 hours. Huh? 24 hours. Absolutely right. 24 hours. This hours, how to convert into second? 3600. Now 1 hour. This when I multiply, it is 86400 second. Now I have to adjust it before decimal only one digit and then power of 10. So can I say 10 raised to plus 4? Can I say this?
Yes, sir.
I have put decimal
Yes.
after 1, 2, 3, 4. So into 10 raised to 4. That means it is indirectly 8.64 into 10 raised to 4 second because that 0 has got no meaning. So we can say order of magnitude equals to 10 raised to 4. Before decimal digit is more than 5, so plus 1, that means 10 raised to 5 seconds. Not followed?
Followed, sir.
Yes, then please do it.
Done, sir.
Okay. Third example, let us see now. Third. Radius of Earth is 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. So radius 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. Already adjusted. No need to do any adjustment. So I can say order of magnitude is 10 raised to 6. Should I write plus 1 or I should stop here?
Plus 1.
Plus 1 because
Yes.
6 is more than 1. Yes,
0.4.
plus 1. That means 10 raised to 7, and don't forget to write unit, huh? 10 raised to 7 meter. I think this was easiest. You all understood. Hello?
Sir.
Yes, sir, understood.
Yes, sir.
इसका बताना हाँ? Mass of electron equal to 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. Again in adjusted form. So what will be order of magnitude?
Minus 31
Minus 31 plus 1.
plus 1.
Beautiful. Correct. Absolutely right. Fantabulous. Plus 1.
Minus 30. I
Yes.
guess.
Final answer will be 10 raised to minus 30. Don't forget to write unit kg. Right. Do these two terms.
None, sir.
Done.
One very tricky we are doing. Fifth. Find order of find order of magnitude of 2 raised to 30. Very beautiful sum. 2 raised to 30. Important also. Can you see 10 anywhere here? Because order में तो 10 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1 ऐसा लिखना चाहिए ना? Can you see 10 anywhere?
It is
No.
10 raised to 0.
Pardon? Hello? Can anybody see 10 ka power here?
Yes, sir.
No, it's not visible.
No.
So my method is I should have 10 ka power something. Then only I can
Yeah.
get order.
2 raised to 3 to the whole bracket 10.
2 raised to 3 is 8. Yes. नहीं बाहर 10 नहीं चाहिए, बेस 10 चाहिए ना बेटा. ये पावर 10 में नहीं चाहिए आपको, बेस 10 चाहिए ना ऐसा.
Yeah.
So 2 raised to 4 is what? 2 raised to 4.
16.
Correct. And 2 raised to 5 is what?
32.
32. I know from maths 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 5 will be 32 into 32. इसका मतलब है 1024. ये 1000 के आसपास है ना?
Yeah.
Yes.
That can be rounded off as 10 raised to 3 or not?
Yes.
So now I am using my common sense of maths. 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 5, 5, 5, 10, and outside I am writing 3. This is 32 into 32 raised to 3. So that will become 1024 raised to 3. That means it is 1.024 into 10 raised to 3 raised to 3. अभी 10 दिख गया ना हम लोग को from 2 raised to 30.
Yes.
Now see further. Do you know what is AB raised to M? AB raised to M. Can I write A raised to M into B raised to M?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this can I write 1.024 power 3 into 10 raised to 3 power 3, not followed.
Yes.
Chalo.
Followed.
What is 1 into 1?
1.
1. And 1 into 1 into 1?
1.
1,
What is 2 into 2?
4,
4.
Into more 2?
8.
8. That means clear cut. This is less than 5, na? 1.01
Yes.
cubic.
Yes. Yes.
So this is equal to something less than 5 into 10 raised to 9. Now I got order of magnitude is equals to only 10 raised to 9, not followed.
Yes.
See, had it been more than 5, so I would write 9 plus 1. Less than
Yeah.
5, only 10 raised to 9. Very important, some difficult one in first time. So whenever numbers given, try to think to write this value close to 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000 so that you can write 10 raised. Now complete it.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
sir, little bit confusion in that 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 5. Sir, but it is 2 raised to 30 now. Hello.
I can understand. 2 raised to 30. 30 can't you write 5 into 6?
Yes, sir.
30 can't you write 2 into 15?
Yes, sir.
30 can't you write 5 into 6?
Yes.
30 can't you write 10 into 3?
Yes.
So I knew that 2 raised to 5 32. मुझे तो मैं तो डायरेक्टली ऐसा करूंगा एग्जाम. बट आपको
Okay.
समझाने के लिए बोला मैं ये 2 raised to 5 2 raised to 5. Power what we do? We add the power.
Add. Yes. Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
Now followed. 5 5 10
Yes.
into
Yes.
30. Yes, everybody is followed. See any doubt, please ask her because you should clear your doubts first. Yes, Pratham and Atharva followed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Done.
Done.
Okay, coming to the next
Sir,
sum.
1 minute, sir, 1 minute.
आराम से think and do, no need to rush because we have started very early. ये 3 महीना ना आपको basic strong करने हैं आपका एकदम. Because your 10th exams were not there, so somewhere you might not have done that much properly now.
Done, sir.
Okay. See, anybody who is having network issue, don't take tension. I'm recording the lecture every class. I will upload that so that if you miss anything, you can go through it. Huh? During this rainy season, it can happen that there will be network issue. And suppose that network issue is persisting, then take some optical fiber connection like Jio वाला. Jio fiber का वो dongle लेंगे ना तो उसका Wi-Fi is very stronger. Shall I clear this?
Yeah.
Now
Yes, sir.
one again interesting topic we are starting. Significant figure. Significant figure. In this topic, you have to understand different rules. This year in NEET exam 20, they had asked one question based on this. Significant figures. See, when you start earning, so you want to earn in more figures or less figures? Means in 5 digit you want to earn, in 6 digit or in 1 digit? What will be
Six
more?
digits.
More than digits, you will be happier, na? 6 digit in lakh.
Yes.
But suppose you want rank, then you want in 6 digit,
No.
then you want to in 1 digit, na sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 में रैंक आया तो कितना मजा आएगा. दूसरा बोला नहीं सर मेरे को ना 2 digit तक भी चलेगा, 99 तक ऑल इंडिया रैंक. तो रैंकिंग के लिए आपने कम डिजिट बोला, अर्निंग के लिए ज्यादा डिजिट बोला ना. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
So significant figure, sometimes it can be 1 digit, sometimes it can be 2 digits, sometimes it can be 3 digit, depending आप क्या माप रहे हैं उससे. So significant means actually important figures, important digits. When you go on platform, have you ever traveled by train?
Yes.
So there are indicators now on the platform. That indicator is written like this: 10.02. मतलब क्या?
Time is 10.
10 बज के 2 मिनट पे गाड़ी आने वाला है ना.
Yeah. The train will
So
arrive.
for me, this first 3 is very important. ये fourth वाला doubtful है थोड़ा. मतलब exact 2 सेकेंड पे नहीं, 2, 3 पे आया तो will I shout? 0, 1 पे आया will I shout?
No.
No. लेकिन 11:02 पे आया तो
Yeah.
definitely I will make noise na here. So whenever it is significant digit, then last digit can be doubtful, चलेगा. But बाकी सब पक्का रहना चाहिए. तो ये एक rule है. Now I'm telling what are significant figures. Then different rule. There are around 10 rules which we have to study. In your college exam, they will ask you any 4 rules. But there will be numerical based on all the rules. So 10 rules. First, what are significance figures? The digits up to which a physical quantity can be measured accurately. The digits up to which a physical quantity can be measured accurately are called as significant figures. The digits up to which a physical quantity can be measured accurately are called as significant figures. I hope you followed meaning.
Yes.
Yes, write down. Then we will see rules for finding significant figure. As I said, nearly 10 rules are there. So one by one we'll do, will not rush.
Done, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Oh, sorry. Coming. Right.
Done, sir. Thank you, sir.
Ayushi,
Yeah.
any doubt?
No.
Rules for finding significant figures or digits, we say. That means 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, that way. First one. All zeros before non-zero digits are not significant. All zeros before non-zero, before or after non-zero digits are not significant. See example. 00725. Before this 7 we are having 2 zeros. They are not significant. So how many significant digit it has?
3.
Correct.
3.
Significant digit will be 3. If it is 7250, now how many significant digit?
3.
Again 3.
3.
So
Yeah.
0 before, 0 after are
Not.
not significant.
Yeah.
Now tell me. How many significant? Again
3.
3. Yes. So 0 before, 0 after, non-zero are not significant. So only significant is 1, 2, 3. So significant digit equal to 3. Any doubt in first rule?
And if, sir, it
Huh?
is 7, and if it's 7506,
So
then 4.
still I have not told anything what will be in between. I told before, after. That rule you have to understand.
Okay.
Okay. The rule which we are doing, that you have to understand. Then I will explain what will be between.
Done, sir.
Okay, everybody is done?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Second rule, all zeros between non-zero digits are significant. That means if I write 2502, then how many significant?
4.
4 significant. Significant digits equal to 4. 0, 0, 7, 0, 0, 7, 0. How many significant?
4.
Yes. Before, after, don't take. In between, consider it. So now you followed that zero wala rule.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's copy this much.
Copied.
Done, sir.
And okay. Third one, very difficult one. Means we tend to make mistake. If a value is in decimal, then zeros after non-zero are taken as significant digits. Meaning, see one by one. If value is in decimal, then zero after non-zero are taken as significant. Let us see. 2.00. Now tell me, this is non-zero? Yes, very good. So how many significant?
3.
3, correct. Significant equal to 3. Now tell me, now how many?
1.
1.
1.
Now
2.
2, correct. Now
3.
now
3.
no.
6.
Sorry,
Ah,
sorry, sorry. 6.
now,
6.
now 6, yes.
6.
I think got idea now. So significant is 6 here. Okay, write this to example. Then once we complete all the rules, I will solve some more sums so that you get direct idea of using significant digits rule.
Done.
Okay. Others have also done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fourth one. If value has to be rounded off after certain decimal. Sometimes we say, na, write the answer up to 2 correct decimal, 3 correct decimal. That way you have done before in 8, 9, 10. Write the answer in 2 correct decimal.
Yes, yes.
So suppose it is we want till 3 decimal. 2 decimal means we see that last. Okay. So if value has to be rounded off up to certain decimal, then if last digit is less than 5, what we do? If last,
It's the same.
we discard that last digit, na?
Yeah.
Then we discard last digit. We discard last digit. Now example we'll see. 2.6252. Find up to 3 decimal. What you will write?
2.25.
2.625.
2.25.
Forget about fourth because it is less than 5. Not followed?
Yes.
Okay, write this first wala. Then it can be greater than 5, it can be exactly 5. So for less than 5, discard that last digit.
That's it.
Okay. So we did rounding off when last digit is less than 5.
Yes.
In that only second part, if last digit is greater than 5, what we do?
We add one to
Add 1 to the previous digit.
Correct. That means increase the previous digit
By
by
1.
by 1. Like example, if I've got 2.927, so for 2 digit rounding off, what should I do?
2.93.
2.93.
93.
Correct. We increase the previous one by 1. This is easy. Write down. So less we forget, more we increase by 1. Exact 5 rule is slightly complicated.
Done.
Okay.
Start.
Yes, done.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are you enjoying this? It's not very difficult. Just be careful. That's it. Third one. If last digit is exactly 5, then if previous digit is odd, what is meaning of odd? 1, 3, 5, they are called odd.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So previous digit can be either odd, can be even. What is 0?
Even.
Even.
हाँ, otherwise you will say sir 0 का तो बोला नहीं आपने. 0 is nothing but even. So if previous digit is odd, then increase it by 1. If even, then discard 5 without increasing or decreasing previous digit. Example C, 2.615. What to write?
2.62.
2.62.
Correct, superb. 2.62. Very good, your understanding. Now tell me, 2.625. Now what?
2.62.
2.62.
Only without. No, 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 no. Exactly 5.
Five
If it is
discard.
odd, then
Look
we
this.
will
This
apply.
is even. Even means no increase, no decrease. Okay.
Yeah, discarded.
Discarded without increase, decrease.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right now.
Done, sir.
So now 0 before, after, not significant. 0 in between, significant. With decimal, all zeros are significant after non-zero. Then for rounding off, more than 5 increase, less than 5 forget, exactly 5 see the previous, odd increase, even forget. Okay. So this was third point, fourth point, fifth now.
Yeah, now fifth.
Fifth one. Okay.
Sir, fifth one.
In fourth we did 3 things. Now fifth one.
Oh, sir,
I
this is
yes.
the sixth one. Now which we will write that one?
See, first we did
No,
0.
it is fifth one only.
Sir, it is fifth.
Now
Sorry.
while adding, or when we add point when we add or subtract, the final answer must be in least decimal place. Now, meaning of this is final answer must be in least decimal place. What does it mean? Whenever we are adding, subtracting, then final answer must be in least decimal place. Meaning of this 2.527 plus 0.15. How many decimal here? 3 decimal.
3,
This one how many decimal?
2,
2.
As per the rule, final answer should be in 2
place
decimal.
decimal.
2 decimal. So when first you do operation as it is 7, 7, 6, 2. But I want this in 2 digit.
2.68.
No, last rounding है ना अभी ये more than 5
Yeah,
है.
2.68.
हाँ 2.68. You have to round off up to 2. So see this digit. This is more than 5. Increase by 1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No,
Yes.
sir.
No.
Now try it. If you are done, say, so that I can give the next rule.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done.
6 point when we multiply or divide, then answer must be in least significant digit. See, add, subtract, decimal. Here least significant digit. When we multiply, divide, answer must be not least decimal but least significant digit. Okay. For example, see 2.2 into 6. How many significant?
2.
2,
2 significant. And this one significant?
Yes. Yeah.
1 significant digit. First you multiply as per rule. 6 2s are 12, 13.2. But this is in how many significant? 3 na?
Yes.
But we want in how many?
1.
1. Now it is intelligent. How to convert into 1 digit?
13.
13 is 2 digit.
1.
Is this less than 5?
5. Yeah.
We'll write
1.
10.
10.
No,
Yeah.
not 1. 10. 10 में 1 significant digit ही आ गया ना?
Yes.
Not followed, I think.
Yes. Yes.
I want final answer in 1 significant. This is 3. We want in 1. So round off. So ये वाला कितना है? 3 से less.
13.
So you can't make it 2. But had it been 5, then I will make it 20. So 10 is my answer.
Yeah.
Okay, right now. Many more sums we'll do so that you get more idea.
And if it is exactly 5, then
Exactly what, beta?
5, 13 it is, no?
Exactly
If
5.
it-
Then what is rule? Before wala odd, increase by 1.
But we want 1 digit.
So 1 is what? 1 is odd, na?
Yeah.
1 digit नहीं, 1 value. Value क्या है? 5 3 के पहले वाले का value 1.
1.
1 is odd. So you have to increase by 1. So answer will become 20. That is friends.
Yeah.
ये वाला थोड़ा confusion वाला है. Yes, Pratham followed. Aisha, you are followed this.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
देखो डिफिकल्ट कुछ नहीं है, मैं वापस बोल रहा हूँ, लेंदी है. Once you complete, then tell me.
Done.
Done, sir.
Done.
Okay. So today we did 2 small topics: order of magnitude